चलो एक जंग हम एक दूसरे से दूर रह के जीते हैं। चलो एक जंग हम एक दूसरे से दूर रह के जीते हैं। कुछ वक्त के लिए सड़कों को सुनसान बिना चहल पहल के देखे। अगर सब संभला तो गलियों का शोर वापस लौट आएगा, वरना ये आंकड़ा यूं ही लगातार बढ़ता जाएगा। अगर हम सतर्क हुए तो ये रोशनी फिर जगमगाएगी, वरना इस महामारी के दौर में सुविधाएं भी मात खाएंगी। कुछ दिन सबसे दूर रहो ना, घर में रह के कुछ अलग करो ना, बिना वजह बाहर मत निकलो ना। कल को जीने के लिए आज थोड़ा एडजस्ट करो ना। और ऐसे ही सबसे दूर रह के सबके साथ मिलकर कोरोना को दूर करो ना, कोरोना को दूर करो ना। A very warm welcome to one and all. Today, hello, my name is Shambhavi Singh along with my colleague Shreya Bajpai is here to present a video on COVID-19 pandemic and biotechnology. So, over to you Shreya now.
The pandemic pipeline. Companies are doing their best to accelerate the experimental drugs and vaccines for COVID-19. Each faces its all sets of challenges, but we all need to agree that we need a radical rethink of clinical development process for pandemics. The currently unfolding cases of COVID-19 boldly underscores the reality that science and technology cannot alone solve the global issues. Rather, we need a systematic and integration of social sciences, risk sciences, and communication along with science and technology to adequately meet the challenges for the pandemic such as COVID-19. Simply put, that global issues require integrated and insightful solutions. So here in this video we'll know that how biotechnology has faced some problems, some challenges, obviously because biotechnology was one of the field of sciences that has faced so many challenges in this pandemic. So let's see what's there in our video and what our video unfolds.
Actions undertaken by the health officials and agencies to slow down the infection rate have required imposition of extreme measures of limited mobility and social distancing. Almost all areas of our daily lives have been almost halted, and science have been no exception.
Although biotechnology is an essential activity to advance the key development of interventions to fight off this pandemic, including vaccine development and drug discovery, the research groups around the world have had either to stop or to modify their activities drastically. So we can significantly say, or it's very observably we can say that due to this pandemic, the scientific groups, the scientific research fields have faced many challenges, especially in the field of biotechnology.
Let the young know they will never find a more interesting, more instructive book than a patient himself.
Technology will become very common, just like having a cell phone in your hand and going online. It's gonna be very big companies, small companies, both. Biotechnology is something that's going to help out to tackle large national issues such as healthcare. So by 2030, it would be realistic to say that biotechnology is going to be a part of our life. It's going to be a daily routine. It will change from drugs, medicines, therapeutics to environmental friendly chemicals, fuels and materials.
COVID-19 first emerged in China, basically Wuhan. Things got very busy at the world's biotech companies. High-powered computers, artificial intelligences, and sophisticated lab work combined in a race to solve the world's biggest problem. What happens to the next stage after this? At the next stage, they would be tested for the ability to neutralize the virus itself.
The theory is a treatment for COVID-19 already exists inside the human body. There's billions of different unique antibodies in any one given individual, and so what our platform is really good at is being able to sort through those billions of differences to find exactly the antibodies that we need in order to help develop that into a therapeutic.
They say they are already making progress. It came after testing a blood sample from a patient who had recovered from COVID-19. Within the company identified more than 500 unique antibodies, the disease fighters inside those who have defeated the virus. Their immune system has done its job and it has cleared the virus. So in there they had the special sauce, and that is what the scientists want to look and to find these therapeutics.
Those potentially helpful antibodies will now be used in a partnership with international drug giant Lilly. The goal: testing a new therapy in human patients within 4 months. The atmosphere has become completely electric. No one knew when a virus threat would emerge or what it would be, only that something somewhere would hit. For 100 years, we have been funding to prepare a technology for exactly this type of situation. Because of that, we are now ideally suited to respond quickly to this outbreak. The scientific battle against virus has been full of false starts and has painful setbacks.
For those fighting this current battle, the days ahead are crucial, with so much at stake as they square off against a fierce, unforgiving opponent. The pursuit of a COVID-19 treatment led Biocon to explore the science behind its existing biologic drugs to access their potential so that they could be repurposed for treating COVID-19 patients.
Someone has truly said that true healthcare reform cannot happen in Washington. It has to happen at our homes, in our communities, and it should be personal. All healthcare is personal. So stay safe, stay healthy.
कोई कहो इस अब बस भी करे।
क्यों बना दिया है माहौल डरकर?
इस कदर परेशान न करे। मन में बेचैनी है, तब तक क्यों ही रहेंगे?
ये देश है त्योहारों का, कब तक देशबंदी सही है? परेशान है कोई भूख से, कोई परिवार से अपने दूर है। मुश्किलों के इस दौर में
मन में हौसला जरूर है। शुक्रिया देश के डॉक्टर्स का जिन्होंने हमें हौसला दिया।
पुलिस के वीर जवानों का
तहे दिल से शुक्रिया। फिर भी उदासी है कहीं।
अब सिर्फ फोन से जान पहचान है,
पर पड़ोस वाला चिंटू
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से परेशान है।
कहीं एग्जाम्स है छुट्टी,
किसी के सपने टूट गए।
लूडो कैरम में हार कर
अब हम भी रूठ गए।
जो साथ होगा अपनों का, फिर हर मुश्किल आसान है।
लड़कर उठेगा
क्योंकि योद्धा हर इंसान है
जरा कठोर ये,
उम्र देखकर भी नहीं मानता,
पर अच्छाई भी है इसमें एक।
ये धर्मों को नहीं जानता।
दूर रखना है इसको आसान,
बातें कुछ ध्यान रखनी है
समय से हाथों को है धुलना,
और साफ सफाई
रखना है दिलों में सभी को। कुछ दिन दूरी सहना है, जो याद आए यारों की,
फिर भी घर में रहना है।
जो साथ मिलेगा हिंदुस्तान सारा,
फिर एक दफा देश मुस्कुराएगा,
है कुछ दिनों की तकलीफ,
तिरंगा फिर से लहराए।